So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Easy Web Tutorials Hub, where we teach you how to make money online and a whole lot of technology issues are discussed here. Alright, so we also talk about search engine optimization, how you can make reputable um, keyword research. Alright, so here in this very tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to invest in NFTs. Alright, NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens. They are a type of digital asset that is unique and cannot be interchangeable with any other token. Alright, so this is something anybody can invest in. All right, unlike cryptocurrency. All right, so we will also be talking about metaverse in our next video. All right, so on investment, you can be able to invest in NFTs and make a whole lot of money. Right, this means that every NFT is different from other and has its own specific purposes. For example, on one NFT might be used to present ownership. All right, so while other represent ownership of a particular item or attribute, while other could be used as a digital currency like cryptocurrency. All right, NFT stand for non-fungible token and it digital significance ownership of anything. All right, so looking at two websites here, before you can purchase anything that has to do with NFT, you need to know the gas price, right? What they're going to be charging you for the gas price, right? So here on this website you can get it exactly, right? So look at the website closely and you'll be able to understand. And you're going to be seeing the NFT platform, all right, NFTs platform, where you can also buy all of those things. All right, but before you handle all of these things, make sure you have your crypto wallet already, either with Binance, Coinbase, or any of these, all right, that you can be able to trade Ethereum. All right, so we're going to be using Ethereum specifically for the purpose of this tutorial. All right, so what you should look into is to learn how to invest in NFTs in 5 simple steps. All right, so here are the steps. The first steps there is the research. Is for you to research the NFT that is perfect for you. All right, so the second one is to sign up. All right, the second one is for you to sign up for a compatible crypto wallet. Sorry, it's crypto wallet and I made a mistake there. All right, so I made a mistake there. For you to sign up for a compatible crypto wallet. And the third is just to fund your digital currency wallet. All right, so what's the digital currency wallet? The digital currency wallet here is either your Binance account, Coinbase, Luno, bonds, and all of those stuff, even trust wallet. All right, so they are your digital currency wallet. All right, so now you connect your crypto wallet to an NFT marketplace. All right, so which is why I introduced two websites to you. All right, I introduced two websites to you, and out of these two websites, one is for you to check the gas price and the other is for you to buy your NFT token. All right, so and the last but not the least here is to purchase your NFTF. All right, so on this whole stuff, all right, for you to make the best out of this whole stuff, all right, you need to know how to go about it. All right, so should you invest in NFTs? Necessity is the mother of invention, and it can be said that necessity led many people down this road. Okay, so the idea behind non-fungible tokens was to create an alternative currency system where users will no longer need trusted third-party service like banks or credit card, because they could trade goods without intermediaries who might take fees out before delivering products. All right, so these are the kind of things we're trying to avoid. All right, so we're trying to avoid this kind of a thing. So looking at the first step, which is exactly the research, for you to research the NFT that is perfect for you. All right, so the first step to invest in non-fungible token is to decide which type of non-fungible token you would like to buy. There are a variety of different types of NFTs available, which is its own unique benefits and drawbacks. Some of the most popular type of it include the collectible tokens, the rights tokens. All right, so to invest in NFTs, the first step is to explore NFTF marketplace for the perfect item. Alright, so every single piece on offer in this market either has a unique identifier, alright, or comes from some limited sets. So it's important to navigate through them all until you find what suits your fancy birds. Alright, you will need cryptocurrency as payment, but don't worry, just note down which coin were needed beforehand and then head back out there again when ready. Alright, so most persons use Ethereum, alright, but the gas fee is quite expensive, which is why I introduced you to this first website where you can always check the gas fee in order for you not to pay more than you are needed to buy. Alright, so take note of that, is important. Now we head over to the second step, which is for you to sign up for a compatible crypto wallet. Alright, you need to sign up for a compatible crypto wallet in this regards. Okay, it's very necessary, and I talked about Binance, Coinbase, and Trust Wallet. Alright, so these are important. So let's head over to the second step, which is for you to kindly, now you have a general idea about how cryptocurrency work. It's time to get yourself set up with some wallets. There are many types of digital wallet available, some of which can store different cryptocurrency while others only support one type or another. It's important to make sure that you make use of one that can compatibly and securely store your coins so they don't disappear when lost forever. Alright, so this is the most reason why I choose Binance Trust Wallet. They are cool. Alright, so we are heading over to the third one, which is for you to fund your digital. Alright, fund your digital currency wallet. Okay, there are vast methods or ways which you can fund your digital currency wallet. It could be peer-to-peer, or maybe you use your bank card. Alright, you either use your bank card or you use peer-to-peer method. Alright, you can fund your digital wallet with fiat. Alright, fiat currency in your home country to buy the cryptocurrency that you need for an NFT via one of many exchanges available online. Alright, in order to purchase an NFT, you must use the cryptocurrency corresponding with that particular blockchain. Alright, so you must take note of that in order for you not to lose your money. It's important. Alright, so we are heading over to the fourth step, which is to connect your cryptocurrency wallet to an NFT marketplace. Alright, that's the fourth one you should take note of. Alright, you should take note of this. Alright, so the most important thing here is for you to connect a crypto wallet. This is one of the major steps in purchasing NFTs. Alright, you may connect your crypto wallet to the digital marketplace that lists NFTs after you've created and funded it. Okay, you should be able to see your wallet cryptocurrency balance, which is ready for purchasing one or more NFTs once connected. Alright, so and the last step here is for you to purchase your NFTs, alright, which I already showed you a website which you can buy from, but you can make your own research on some of the available websites which you can make this purchase from. Okay, you can make your own research, and from the one we've made so far, I was able to bring out one for you, the one you can use. Alright, so when you're ready to make your purchase, proceed to the NFT marketplace, sign up for an account. If you don't already have an account, okay, if you don't already have an account, you should then navigate to the choice of NFT, click the buy button, make crypto payment with your wallet, and your purchase is complete. It's as simple as that. Alright, there is nothing hard about that. And the cost to purchase an NFT with Ethereum can be expensive if not done correctly. This is what I told you earlier. Alright, so if you don't follow the legal procedure, alright, like this is the website to check the gas fee, and the other website is for you to purchase. Alright, so if it is not done correctly, you might lose your money. So it's important to research how gas fee will apply based on network congestion and adjust accordingly so that your transaction doesn't get stuck in limbo. Take note of this. Alright, so a website like NFT gas station, alright, search for this NFT gas station, helps guess potential fees for Ethereum transaction, but it's always best practice before making any purchases online. All right, full well that you should be online, knowing fully well that others may change. It may change actually, just like cryptocurrency. All right, so please take note of that, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the easiest way to do it. Subscribe.